Good morning. It's my first day after like a month. I know I told you guys that we have a week holiday, but it ended up being a whole month. Guys, I was so exhausted. I was so tired. Sorry, I can't really take the camera and talk to you guys directly because your girl is running late. Being late is the last thing that I want, bro. I don't know, there's a way my school did it. Like each day we have Path&Pharm classes. So Monday is for chem part, Tuesday is for hematology, Wednesday is for microbiology, Thursday is for histopath and morbid anatomy, and then Friday is for pharmacology. That's how my school decided to do theirs. The classes are supposed to hold from 8 to 2 and then 3 to 5 practicals every single weekday. Then Saturdays we usually have pharmacology classes. You guys have noticed that I am not with uniform, guys. I cannot deal with this uniform of a thing. Nah bro, I can't deal with it. So I'm going to manage it until they actually send me out of the class because I'm not with uniform. God, please let this not happen. Let's rush to school. I'm early, like really early, guys.
I'm supposed to come first before that topic again. But due to the ubiquitous nature of
Many hours later.
Hi guys, so my class is over now. It's my first microbiology class. Okay, what do I feel about microbiology? It's quite strange. Today we learned bacteriology, so it was just introduction, classification. I'm like, God, how am I going to be able to remember all of these names? That's the first thing that was going through my mind throughout the classification and on the Ella. Well, fingers crossed. When I get back home today, I'm going to study it, so I'll try to remember. We have another class by 12, and that's what we are waiting for. What that's in my mind is my smoothie that is inside my fridge. I can't wait to get back home and drink that smoothie. I'm just hoping that the class does not hold so that I'll get back home, please.
Several days later.
Hi guys, good morning. I'm trying to do some washing this morning. Mama, don't mind me. See, I'm using a mop for my fridge. I need to move the frozen down. Join me to prepare breakfast. This is leftover meat pie from yesterday night. Sorry for the background noise, guys. It's raining. This is my favorite yogurt. It's taking light, man. I have to eat this with bananas. My God, this tastes so good.
The next day.
Hi guys, just came back from the market. Look at 600 naira. This one is kanda for 300. This one is dry fish. I also bought ice fish. Need to clean up this fish and wash it before putting it into my freezer. I'm done washing the fish. I had to put it inside this container so that it won't stick to the freezer. So guys, guess what I got? Oh my God, like I am so excited. I wish I got green color, but well, I'll manage. It actually came with this, so I guess maybe I'm supposed to put it here. So I fixed it. And I think this will go in here. So let me try using it to blend tomato. Let me see how it's going to be. Oh, let's try it out now.
One eternity later.
See how it ended? Like it didn't really blend this thing well. But whether I'm supposed to put it one by one, I don't know. I'm really disappointed, you know.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I repent. I was actually turning it the wrong way. Let me show you how I was supposed to turn it. See, I was supposed to turn it up, down, up, down. It has finally turned into paste. Man, this is nice. Guys, take a look at 100 naira kanda. I bought 500 naira on. I want to wash it, slice it and put it into my freezer. it at 500 naira. Kanda. It's quite a lot.
Many hours later.
Hi guys, look at my face, you can see I'm so exhausted. I remember sometime last year that I mentioned on this channel that I wish I could have a washing machine.
Flashback.
You see, I just finished washing my clothes. God, I hate washing clothes. I just wish I could get a washing machine. I can't wait to be able to afford to use a washing machine, honestly. That's one thing I miss about my home. I also remember saying that I wish I could have a fridge.
Flashback.
Of course, you know, I do not have a fridge. Hopefully, I'll receive miracle money to be able to afford to buy a fridge. Oops. I overcut this one. Guys, I've got it all. I have a washing machine. I have a fridge. You know, sometimes you wish for things that are beyond you, things that you really cannot afford for yourself, that you literally have to depend on someone to get for you. But yet you can't ask because you feel very guilty that the person is already doing too much for you. I'm just so happy. So I've stocked my fridge. I have food stuff. I have snacks. I have. I washed my bedspread for the first time yesterday night, and I was like, wow, this is so nice. At least I wouldn't have to go to the dry cleaners anymore. I can wash my bedspread by myself, although I know I will need help squeezing it. Microwave is something that I wasn't planning for. I wasn't expecting it, but it still came as a gift. I also got this. This is like, I don't know if I can call it USB blender. I use it to blend my smoothies. It doesn't need electricity. So at least I can be taking smoothies. Wow, life is good.
Several days later.
Hey guys, I want to prepare melon soup now. You won't even believe what the time is, but I'm very hungry. So let's cook melon soup together. Finally done. That's my meat, my fish, my kanda, dry fish as well, and I also use ice fish. I'm going to take these ones to the freezer to eat later on. Alright guys, I'm boiling beans to put inside the freezer. It's not even close to done. Yeah.
Many hours later.
I am all shades of exhausted. Really exhausted. But I've done everything I needed to do. I've eaten, I've arranged my fridge and freezer. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. I have classes this morning, so prepare breakfast with me. Nice and hot. Alright guys, breakfast is served. Have apple, cucumber, buns, bread with mayonnaise and boiled eggs. I can't exactly find a chair to sit down because I'm in a hurry. If I go to sit down, I will spend so much time eating. I forgot, frozen yogurt. I'm coming. My absolute favorite. Join me. My God, life is good.
One eternity later.
Guys, thank God I made it to class on time.
When you want to write vocabulary, remember there is R there. So let's pick Pseudomonas as the topic there.
One eternity later.
Class is over. Oh yes, I'm safe.
Hi, I'm Pepper.
As you can see, we have very tired faces. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Many hours later.
Guys, just came back from school. I want to prepare microwave beans. So this is my kanda, my ice fish, my boiled beans. This is my crayfish and pepper. I want to do microwave roasted plantain. So I'll just cut half of this. Hopefully half is going to be enough for me. So here I have salt, Maggi, pepper, kanda, palm oil. While here I have my plantain and then fish. I want to shred the fish. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but let's see how it goes. I've sprinkled salt on the plantain and the fish. See, I've mixed it all up now. I noticed that the plantain is tasting like roasted plantain, and then the fish is tasting like roasted fish, and then the beans is not so cooked, like it's not cooked as per cooked. So let me see. My god, this tastes so freaking good. Am I going to do this again? Yes, I definitely will. Taste.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. Today I have an outreach with Medical Women's Association of Nigeria Ebonyi State Chapter, but I have some washing to do.
I'm done washing. Let me drain the water. Finish cleaning the washing machine. Off we go.
One eternity later.
Guys, despite the washing I did this morning, I'm still early.
It will stick. Now you open this one. There's another.
Guys, we've given them free menstrual pads. Oh, this is so nice.